So today I ordered this Bakon BK969S digital soldering station 60 watt. So this one is a automatic soldering machine. So here I got the delivery. So this is what the packaging looks like. Comes with the manual. I got the main product, well packaged, and finishing wise it looks good. Say I'm able to run, I will also show one other video. The main guy, inseparable friends. So, and this is the tip I got by default. This is one of the tip I purchased separately, and this is how it looks like. Soldering tip 900M series TB, and this is how it looks like. Now if I power it,